Not making that turn. We are at West Craven MX in North Carolina. It's a really, really deep sand track. First time I've ever been here. The track is sick though. Oh, perfect. Beautiful stall. So as I was saying, we are at West Craven MX in Vanceboro, North Carolina. I haven't been on a motocross track in like a year. It's been a while, so I'm feeling super rusty. Super deep sand track, like way deeper than anything I have ever ridden. This huge triple. Hella squirrely. That was the same spot I stalled it in last time. Some of the sections are like deeper than beach sand. Like up that hill. Woo! Now I gotta catch Brandon. Catch him on the outside. There we go. Now I hit that corner like I'm supposed to. It actually makes more sense to case that jump a little bit. You can hit the corner a whole lot easier if you just bounce your back wheel off of it. So this is my cousin Brandon. He is 13. He just got his RMC 250. And he is actually coming off of an RM65, so this is a huge transition from him, going right from a 65 to a 250 like that. It's actually only the second time he's ever rode the bike. And especially, go ahead dude, go ahead. Desperate. What? Got desperate. So it's only the second time he's ever rode the bike. And he's from Pennsylvania, so he's never ridden in like anything remotely close to this condition. This deep sand is like so new. So all that considering, he's doing really well. Honestly, this is the first time I've ever hit corners like this. Like, whoa, that was awful. First time I've ever hit deep sandy corners like this where you can practice just holding your, wide open. It's also cool having the, having the track to yourself is awesome. groomed it and watered it for us. So that's really nice. This is a fun little double. Oh yeah! I finally took that turn half decent without sliding. Oh, this feels good. Stall it. This is a section where honestly, I have no idea which line is the best to take. Nice. Let's see if I can keep it going. Look at this one. Yeah. It's been hard for me to clear all of those. That's actually just destroys my arms. I feel like I'm hitting corners well. I'm gonna watch the GoPro footage. It's probably not gonna look good at all, but tell you what, it feels like I'm riding okay. Everyone's still stuck in the sand over here. What does that mean? Oh my god, it's so dusty, dude. Oh, I can't hit that jump. Oh, I can hardly breathe, let alone see anything. So when we first got here, obviously, the track was groomed and watered and it was mint. But the temperature outside today is nuts. It's like 95 degrees, I think. Yeah, it's like 95 degrees. Humidity is insane. So all the water that you put on the track at the beginning of the day is 100% gone. Oh my god, I almost lost it. Oh. We'll just play it cool and act like I was waiting for him, that I didn't almost just eat it.
You're bumping that turn.
Huh?
You're just bumping the turn.
No, I'm good. On a, I believe like a 06 450 RMZ. We got the Suzuki squad out here today. Turns are getting real chewed up. Well, it's been a lot of fun here on West Craven today. This is definitely a track that I'll be back to for sure. I highly recommend everyone goes and checks it out. As I said, it's in Vanceboro, North Carolina. All of the jumps, you can roll them. They're all tables, you know. Oh, I gotta take this. Oh! Oh! I thought I wasn't gonna go down at all today. First time for everything. I usually fall several times every time I ride, and that's the first for today. Oh, that sand is so hot. I'm so... stuffed it. Oh, there's so much sand in my gloves now. Well, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It's been so long since I've been on a motocross track. I know it's a lot of fun, but on that note, I think I'm gonna call it. My arms are wiped. The more I ride, the better the chances I'm just gonna fall. So I will see you in the next one. Peace.